How's it going, guys? Assad here. And if you are making follow-up to this tutorial, so you are an officially and JavaScript intermediate, because you no longer JavaScript beginner, because you no longer a beginner, because you, by the time you watching this, you must learn all of that. And now what to do? Yeah, you completed the JavaScript, and now what to do with that? So if you want to become a front end developer, most of you know what front end is, because without that, why you learn JavaScript though? So on those who don't know, I will give you a hint. The JavaScript usually used in a browser. So and every website you see are a front end website. It is the styles and look of the website is the front end, and the other things which do are back end, which like calculating, and these are the back end things. So what we're gonna do is, if you start in a front end, if you know HTML and CSS, I have an extensive tutorial on HTML CSS with JavaScript. If you want to know more about JavaScript, I have a function in JavaScript, which is all the function in JavaScript until now, and I will keep update that the function too. Don't you worry about that. And there are more things like object oriented JavaScript. If you want some business logic in your JavaScript knowledge, so you can learn that too. And the other thing is we gonna teach about like npm node. I have the course on that too. You can check it out. Everything is down below in the description. Don't you worry about that. And if you want to become a backend, so, and if you know what a webpack is, I will make a total tutorial about that too. Don't you worry about that. Everything, I got you everything. So and the examples which you can do is HTML5, CSS, and Node. And if you know front end, want to know, that would be okay too. You can use Vue, Angular, React. There is jQuery if you want to do with vanilla JavaScript. It's not a deal though, big deal now. And the other thing which you can also do is Electron. If you like want to make desktop apps with Electron .js, if you want to make desktop and Mac apps, so you can learn Electron.js. There are a big community around that if you want to learn. So I will suggest you, if you don't know HTML and CSS, go learn that. And if you want to more of it, you go learn object oriented JavaScript, so you can you can do business logic and webpack and just if you want to do like webpack, I have a tutorial about that too. So if you want to do anything, just do that. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in a next, no, this is the last lecture though. So See you guys.